Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be preparing a wonderful Excel progress tracker. Alright, if you missed my last video, do well to check out my page. You will see some videos I did that answered so many questions on how we could prepare trackers, we could prepare inventories, and how we could use conditional formatting. Alright, and do well to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's dive into what we have today. So when you want to prepare a progress tracker, for instance, you have the amount of sales made by each sales rep each month, and you want to keep them into this tracker. To move them to this tracker we have up here, what you're going to do is you click on the cell, then you're going to click on data validation. Right, on the home tab, click on data validation. There's going to be a dialog box. It's going to pop out. On this drop down here, click on list. Then it's going to ask for the source, so you click on the arrow here, highlight all the months that you want to prepare the tracker with, then you return using this arrow here, then you click on OK. Now you've successfully prepared data drop down using data validation. You drop down all the months. Okay, then once all the names to have their particular scores for each month. So what we do, we're going to select the first month. We're going to use the VLOOKUP function. So you say equals to VLOOKUP. Okay, sorry, that's again equals to VLOOKUP. Then click on VLOOKUP. Then you're going to ask for the lookup value. Click on January, comma, then the table array. So what you do, you highlight the informations on the table, right, comma, then the column index number. So since we are working with Jan, so the column is column 1, column 2, right? So we click on 2, then comma, exact match. Then you can close the bracket, hit the enter key. So the information for John in January, the sales he did, we appear here. You could drag across each of the cell. So each of the information for the sales rep, total sales you did, we appear on that cell. So now if you check now your data validation on each of the months, you will see that automatically all their informations will appear on their cell automatically. Okay, apart from preparing something like this for your business or for your company, you can also prepare a chart to also visualize and make this information very interactive. Okay, so what you do, you highlight this data set we just created that summarizes the information. Then you click on insert tab, insert, then you click on recommended charts. Let's give it a minute. Then you're going to see various charts going to appear. So let's use a clustered column. Then double tap on it. It's going to appear immediately. So you could see the sales chart showing on what on this very chart here, the sales performance for each of the sales rep. So you cannot edit to make it more interactive. So you can come here. Let's remove the chart title. Let's remove the grid here, grid lines. Now I want to add the data labels. All right. Okay. So data label will come here. Go right click, change data label shape. Let's use the shape. Then let's change the color of data label. Let's use this. So let's use this. Then let's make it more bold. We'll also make the text be white. Let's see how white looks on it. Okay. So automatically, so when you apply changes on each of the months, you're going to see the effect on your chart. So interactive that you could detect the person, the sales rep doing very well or that did so well in that particular month. So I'm going to stop here for now. Do well to follow the page, subscribe, so when I drop videos like this, you'll be notified by YouTube. Okay, I'll be preparing a very interactive dashboard very soon for beginners, so stay tuned. Thank you.